Not water.
Those are how many liters?
You can just open and the smell itself. The smell around.
I wake up and say, I've given myself 1 month or 1 year, I must get rid of all the firearms and put a stop to proliferation of small arms. Why? The border is so porous. Anybody can enter from anywhere, as and when. So what are we doing? The Updf leadership is advancing. We are building more capacity to ensure that all those porous borders are closely monitored. That's an effort that the Updf is undertaking currently. Maybe after acquiring the means and technology to closely monitor the borders, then we can say no more proliferation. But for now, I don't want to commit myself and tell you that tomorrow there won't be any further rearming. I don't want to commit myself.
The verification center and the checkpoints. Then secondly, is we are not alone as security who are manning the security of this KARAMOJA sub-region. There is the public eye, the community themselves. And we have networks down, so there is communication. Of course, we may not say 100% we can curtail escape, but remember the person stealing is taking to the market. So there is that we have really contained. And if you pass the fire, the paras bonus is a risk venture. They know it. Some of them, they are aware how risky it is. Because it is known, the markets are known, the routines are known. You are on your porous border, it is risky. Here we have ambushes, we have what, if you fall in it, that is it.
Then now it was transformed into commercialized. Commercialized is almost becoming history because of the control measures that we have all mentioned, including control of markets, including goods, including. It has become very costly for cattle rustling. As I mentioned earlier, a cow is not something that you can put in your pocket or in your handbag and drive through the checkpoint with ease. No. It must be detected. Therefore, we continue to stop it. But that's not enough. As I mentioned earlier, to solve the problem once and for all,